In today's world of smart home technology, optimizing comfort and energy efficiency has never been easier, thanks to smart thermostats. These innovative devices not only learn your heating and cooling preferences, but also help you save money on your utility bills. With features like remote control, energy usage reports, and integration with other smart home systems, choosing the right smart thermostat is crucial. In this video, we'll explore the best smart thermostats on the market, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your home. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com, like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Amazon Smart Thermostat, our find for best budget smart thermostat. If you're seeking a smarter way to manage your home's temperature while actively reducing energy consumption, the Amazon Smart Thermostat is the ideal solution for you. This innovative device simplifies temperature control and helps you embrace a more eco-friendly lifestyle. With the ability to support temperature sensors, you can enhance your comfort by using compatible Echo devices, such as the Echo Dot or the Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor. This means you can effectively manage hot and cold spots throughout your home, creating a consistently comfortable environment tailored to your preferences. You'll also benefit from potential cost savings. After purchasing the thermostat, you'll receive an email from Amazon with information about available rebates from energy providers in your area, allowing you to save even more. Utilizing Alexa for seamless automatic control, the Amazon Smart Thermostat easily switches between your preferred settings for home, away, and sleep modes. Whether you're at home or out and about, adjusting the temperature is effortless through the Alexa app. The installation process is designed to be straightforward, with comprehensive guidance readily available through the app and dedicated customer support. Powered by advanced Honeywell home thermostat technology, the Amazon Smart Thermostat is a smart investment in your home's comfort and energy efficiency, making it easier than ever for you to create an inviting atmosphere while being mindful of energy use. Number 4. Google Nest Thermostat, our find for best smart thermostat for home. If you're searching for a smart thermostat that seamlessly blends stylish design with practical functionality, the Nest Thermostat might be the ideal choice for you. This thermostat not only helps reduce energy costs, but also ensures that your home remains comfortable throughout the day. With the Nest Thermostat, you have complete control over your home's climate, allowing you to effortlessly toggle between cooling, heating, and eco modes. You can create customized schedules tailored to your daily routine, ensuring your living space is cozy exactly when you need it. While it may not possess the advanced learning capabilities of the Nest Learning Thermostat, you still have the convenience of managing settings remotely through the Google Home app or by using voice commands with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. You'll appreciate the user-friendly design, featuring a responsive touch sensor that allows you to adjust the temperature simply by sliding your finger or tapping your desired functions. Although there might be a slight learning curve, you'll quickly find it intuitive. With a sleek design available in 4 modern finishes, the Nest Thermostat can enhance your home's decor. Installation is straightforward, offering flexibility with options like a C-wire, AA batteries, or a power adapter. Overall, the Nest Thermostat provides a reliable, stylish, and affordable solution for managing your home's temperature with ease. Still searching for the perfect smart thermostat? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Ecobee 3 Lite Smart, our find for best smart thermostat for beginners. If your home is equipped with smart devices, the Ecobee 3 Lite can seamlessly enhance your automation experience. No more shouting at your thermostat for weather updates. With the Ecobee 3 Lite, managing your climate control becomes effortless, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your comfort. Installing the Ecobee 3 Lite is accessible, making it an ideal choice for those eager to elevate their home automation without complexity. One standout feature is a C over cool to dehumidify, which not only cools your home but also effectively reduces indoor humidity levels. This dual function ensures you can enjoy a refreshing living environment while keeping utility bills in check during the hot summer months. You may be concerned about compatibility with your existing setup. Fortunately, the Ecobee 3 Lite works harmoniously with many leading smart home systems, ensuring a smooth integration into your current ecosystem. For those who want to manage temperatures across different rooms, you can also invest in additional room sensors, which are available separately. With its sleek dimensions and an elegant 3.5-inch touchscreen, the Ecobee 3 Lite adds a modern touch to your home. Embrace smart living and experience a thermostat that operates quietly and efficiently, transforming your space into a sanctuary of comfort. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with effortlessly managing your home's climate, making every day more enjoyable. Number 2. Google Nest Learning Thermostat, our find for best self-learning AI smart thermostat. If you're seeking a smarter way to manage your home heating, the Google Nest Learning Thermostat could be the perfect solution for you. Designed by Tony Fadell, who revolutionized the way we listen to music with the iPod, this thermostat merges sleek design with cutting-edge technology to elevate your living space. Once connected to your Wi-Fi, adjusting your home's temperature becomes a simple task. Just turn the dial. Forget about complicated programming. The Nest learns your daily routines over time and automatically maintains a comfortable temperature tailored to your lifestyle. Manual adjustments are still at your fingertips, but the convenience of having the Nest manage your heating can truly simplify your life. Are you concerned about rising energy costs? The Nest features smart sensors that adapt to your habits, helping you reduce energy use when you're not home. It easily integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant, putting control right at your fingertips, and sends you reminders for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning filter changes to keep your system running efficiently. While the initial investment might be higher than traditional thermostats, many utility companies provide rebates to assist with the cost. Installation is generally straightforward, but if you don't have a common wire, consulting a professional may be worthwhile. The Nest Learning Thermostat empowers you to create a comfortable, energy-efficient environment in your home. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, our find for best smart thermostat overall. If you're seeking an efficient way to manage your home's heating and cooling while also enhancing your overall comfort, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is the top choice for you. This Energy Star certified device can save you up to 26% annually on energy costs, providing significant savings right where you need them. Equipped with smart sensor technology, this thermostat intelligently prioritizes temperature regulation in the rooms that matter most, effectively eliminating those uncomfortable hot or cold spots you may have experienced. You'll also receive vital alerts on air quality, offering actionable tips to enhance your home's environment, along with reminders to change your furnace's air filter, ensuring that you breathe cleaner air. What sets the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium apart is its premium materials and innovative design, which feature a large, vibrant display and advanced occupancy sensing capabilities. It functions as a complete home monitoring hub, including built-in smoke alarm detection and security alerts, which keep you informed during emergencies such as sudden temperature drops that could lead to damage. Additionally, the integrated smart speaker allows you to control your home through voice commands using Siri or Alexa. You can even enjoy your favorite Spotify playlists or podcasts directly through the thermostat. To utilize Siri, simply connect it to your Apple Home Hub. With the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, you can effortlessly create a more comfortable, efficient, and secure environment in your home. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which smart thermostat you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.